So here is the 60mm. If you are looking for a lens pouch or a case to protect your 60mm F1.8 or 50mm RF 1.8, so here is the JJC. So this is the model. It's like 65mm times 78. Okay, anyway, let me just open it. I'll be throwing a link in the description box below. Let me just open it. Okay. I mean, this is a JJC M, but it's not that good fit, to be honest with you. Like, okay, if I try to fit this one, a little bit tight fit, but it can fit. You see, it can fit, but it's a little bit tight. Can you see? It can definitely fit. But it's a little bit tight. So, and here is the, yeah, now let me fit. This is a good fit, I think so. Yeah, this is a good fit. Let me just do it a little bit pull down. Like this is okay. So yeah, so subscribe and bye.